Hi guys! So for today's vlog, pupunta kami ng Lake Kawaguchiko. Tara, sama kayo guys!
1 hour later.
So nag-stop by muna kami dito sa Eggs and Things bago kami dumiretso ng Lake Kawaguchiko. So ayan yung itsura ng restaurant outdoor. At ito yung menu nila for winter. So meron silang uji matcha latte pancake. So yan ang kakainin ko for breakfast. At meron din silang sukiyaki burger. So ayan si G-Style at si Kuya Jiro. So nakapili na sila ng order.
Konnichiwa. Well, it's a long weekend, so we decided to travel here by Enoshima, which is the beach, along the beach, right, here in Tokyo. Outside of Tokyo, it's between Tokyo and towards, heading towards Mount Fuji, as a matter of fact. So today, we decided to drive here. We're gonna have quick breakfast here at Eggs and Things, and then we'll see. I thought it was gonna be a clear sunny day today, so it was supposed to be a perfect day to see Mount Fuji, but there's a little bit of clouds and Mount Fuji is not quite popping out yet, so I'm hoping it's gonna clear up here in a bit. And at the same time, the plan was to go to a lake, that lake over there, and then head to Gotemba Outlet Mall, but we'll see. But anyway, my Sky the baby is hungry, and have a great weekend as well. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Ayan, dumating na yung coffee namin ni G-Style. Ayan, so mainit-init pa. At ito naman yung in-order niya for breakfast. So ayan. At meron egg benedicts na may potatoes. So ayan. O diba guys, ang dami na naman naming food. At si Sky, syempre kasama namin. Syempre hindi naman pwedeng iwanan yan. At dumating na rin yung in-order ni Kuya Jiro. Ayan. At ito na yung ating uji matcha latte pancake. So ayan. And more food for us. So ayan. May strawberry. And then ako, si Kuya Jiro, at si G-Style. Ayan, nag-start na silang kumain. Siyempre, nandyan na yung aming food na in-order.
2 hours later.
So, after namin kumain, so dediretso na kami ng Lake Kawaguchiko. Medyo malayo ito guys. So, mga 2 hours away. So, paglagpas namin ng Gotemba Outlet Mall, so nag-decide na lang kami dito na lang pupunta sa Lake Yamanakako. Dahil sobrang layo din pala nung Lake Kawaguchi ko. So, parang from here, another 1 hour pa ata, guys. So, pero tingnan nyo naman, guys, napakaganda din ang view. So, marami ding naglalakad-lakad dito kasama ng kanilang mga pets. So, ayan, tingnan nyo. And then, si G-Style at si Kuya Jiro, ayan, nasa likod ko, nagpipicture-picture, nagvi-video sila. And nakita namin itong napakalaking swan boat. So, nag-iisip kami kung gagawin namin ito. Kasi kasama namin si Sky, baka hindi siya pwede. Pero tingnan nyo naman ang view, napaka-relaxing at napakapayapa nung dagat o nung lake. Ayan. So, tingnan nyo naman guys, diba? Napakaganda. At sa likod ko, makikita ninyo yung Mount Fuji. Ayan. Medyo covered din siya ng snow. Ayan. So, next time, pupunta tayo dyan. At least man lang hanggang 5th station. Makapunta man lang. So, plaplanuhin natin yan, guys. At tingnan nyo, nakita namin merong mga duck. So, ayan yung isang duck. So, marami silang, ayan, nasa may shore. Ayan, tingnan nyo naman, napakaganda. At meron ding swan kaming nakita. Ayan, tingnan nyo naman, diba? Gustong-gusto nila sa mga maraming tao. Hindi sila natatakot. So, ayan. So, ayan, gabi na, kaya uwian na. So, alright guys, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time guys. Bye-bye!